You alright, guys? You alright? Welcome back. Welcome back. So yeah, what else, guys? Do we not comment on? Well, I think we've covered pretty much most of the things everyone's been asking me. And yeah, so upcoming trips, guys. I do have a bit of a wild one again. Basically, I have been summoned back to Peru, to the northern Peruvian Amazon jungle, where you guys saw me cycle. From my village all the way to the newly constructed bridge of Iquitos, which is the second largest bridge. Second longest bridge over the Amazon, and then the longest bridge in all of Peru. So Brazil has a bridge in the Amazon region going over the Amazon River that's a little bit longer than this one. Hence why it's the second longest in the Amazon region. However, it's the longest bridge in all of Peru. So anyways, guys, so I've been summoned there for various couple of reasons, which we won't get into at the moment. Perhaps when we're there, you guys will see what I'm doing and kind of get the gist of what's happening. So, as you guys know, I have my place down there. I have a place of retreat. So, I'm not bringing my bike, but I have figured out something we're gonna do. Either I'm gonna rent some bikes there and go on a cool ride, or we're gonna rent some scooters and do like a little scooter trip. Because I just kind of want to do a recon mission on that road between the port of Nanai and then going past the bridge. You know, I want to see the status of it, how far they got into it and stuff. So yeah, that's coming up very soon, guys. All right, so keep watching, keep tuning in, because that's coming in definitely this summer, or before this summer is gonna start. Now trip number 2 is gonna be a little bit after the summer. I'm trying to pick out a very good date for the beautiful island of Puerto Rico, because I know it's in the Caribbean, West Indies area, depending where you're from. So yeah, the West Indies tend to, of course, have a tropical weather all the time, a lot of rain, and Puerto Rico is one of those really tiny islands. It's only like 124 miles across. So what I've kind of been doing is some preliminary calculating on how we're gonna do, what we're gonna do, how long it's gonna take. So I'm planning that definitely after the summer, because I believe during the summer it is very, very, very hot and humid, so we might have to wait off until maybe September, October, or November. But then also I want to kind of plan that trip around the torrential tropical hurricane season. So we don't want to be on the island where that's happening either. As you probably can imagine. So yeah, guys, so there's a couple of nice trips coming up. There's also, so you know, definitely keep watching. I also have some footage from last summer, from when I was testing out an electric bike for a little bit. You guys saw the footage on when I was testing out the scooter. So now we're gonna be maybe I'll shoot that over next. Also, we're gonna want to do some more of the city of Chicago. We haven't done the 606 yet, the old railroad that turned into a bike trail down near downtown. So yeah, we're definitely gonna have to do that April 1. We're gonna probably do some variation of the south side and south side suburbs, maybe South Shore, We've already done a little bit by going from Jackson Park back to downtown along the South Shore. But what we're gonna go do is maybe do a little more inland, a little footage on a little bit of inland ride, maybe like a 30-40 mile commute on in and around the old South Side industries that we once had. Maybe we'll do the outdoor Pullman, the Pullman coach car museum, which from what I hear is an outdoor kind of place. So we can probably do that entire thing on a bike. It's sort of like a little Chinatown, but what it was America's first ever organized factory town, Pullman, Illinois. It's in the south side of Chicago, and from what I've been reading about up a little bit on it, it is a museum. That's, of course, it's like almost like, you know, a bunch of trains out there and the luxury train coaches. So the town, the train factory, that's all been preserved the way it was. And as I'm told, maybe I think the little center district of it has been turned into a museum. So hopefully we can do that while cycling the entire day. What else, guys? What else? We're still due to do the Al Capone and Sam Giancana and the Gangster Cemetery walk. So we never, you guys remember, we had a little fail. We had a few fails doing that last summer. So yeah, guys, that's what's coming up. So I guess, yeah, I'm gonna post these segments in from today, and then look out for that little shenanigan video. It's something I'm gonna, you know, compile. I'm gonna try to edit. If I can't put all 5 or 6 of those segments together and edit them, what I'm gonna do is maybe take them apart, edit them, turn them into a bunch of shorts instead. So we're gonna do something. We're gonna play around. So it's gonna be my first venture in having to you know, edit my videos, which I was always staunchly against. But anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in from this lovely 63, actually it says 63 degree Sunday. It's a beautiful Sunday today. Very sunny now. It turned. When I left the house, it was cloudy. Now it's all sunny. So yeah, it's a sunny 63 afternoon, about 6:20 p.m. So yeah, we're gonna do an hasta la ciao ciao for here. So hasta la ciao ciao, bye for now. Over and out from the concrete jungle of Arlington Heights, Illinois.